ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Talang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kinoyalam jong Harijan Panchayat Committee haka hinyo trik jembang arja afsau kila Pynksan bagi laispa saupu Tylli ki Longïing hatem yo mulong kide ki nongsong snong ki balasa Lajan shispa Snem. Kini ki jing Pynksan jong Jagdeep Singh Ubade General Secretary jong Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee ringkat bu Gurjit Singh ubalong ulong yalam jong Harijan Panchayat Committee kalong hadian bagi hinyo trap Youth Council haka jubab RTI balayok priang nakasulong Municipal Board kalakam bag shispa saupu Tylli ki Longïing Kimdei Satya ki betre haki trak trekam bapel jong sarkar war haka Shillong Municipal Board. Haka jinga karen bigla pathai kubor hadin ke jinga lang jong high level committee balakli edu sembut menteri rangba ba prestun tensong. Kinoyalam jong Harijan Panchayat Committee kilayathu ba haka jinga lang ka balalong haka ni gasngi. Kalalong ka basaiso batkin saya kendo biang bag sarkar haka tayo beningkong jong benai jeliu arja arpsaw haka bay day bag jing pinkan rea egi beriu basa hatem yo molong.
This is our fourth meeting with the government. It is a very fruitful meeting. We had discussions on various aspects in continuation to our last meeting. And in short, I would say it is a fruitful meeting and there is not anything concluded. But yes, we have fixed another meeting that is in the first week of June, where hopefully I think we would reach to some conclusion. Right?
But there have been this allegation that there are around 148 illegal settlers in the Harijan colony. If you can
No, those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue
it was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's a thought, but actually it is not correct. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
But what is the response of the government to this
government
demand?
Response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want an amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion. Yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we'll disclose to the media also. All the meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. What was it? 342. 342.
242. Yeah. All these 342 families who are residing in
Are government employees?
जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे। और ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है। ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए। और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है 342 फैमिलीज हैं उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए.
See, the issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers, but the actual numbers, it was like, decided it was 340. See, it is the people who are staying there for years, since centuries, so how you can say it is not, demand is not reasonable.